funeral of late Latiplang Kharkongor, a member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council KHDC, was held on the 15th of September 2024 after his passing away on the 12th of September following a prolonged illness. The service saw attendance from various political representatives, including members of the KHDC, leaders from the Dorbar, Shnong, Nongkyriem and Nongthymmai, pressure groups, as well as family and friends. Attendees paid heartfelt tributes to the late leader, honoring his significant contributions to the community, the society and the state of Meghalaya. Late Latiplang Kharkongor, a widely respected independent MDC, was elected 4 consecutive times from the Nongthymmai constituency since 2004. He gained widespread recognition after toppling the executive committee led by late Tainwell Dakhar of the UDP under the United Democratic Alliance. Late Kharkongor served as the chief executive member of the KHDC from the 22nd of November 2019 to the 20th of March 2020. Before entering politics, he was the president of the Nongthymmai National Youth Front. During the funeral held at his residence in Nongkyriem, Nongthymmai, HNYF President Sadon Bla spoke about Kharkongor's humility, wisdom and leadership, particularly highlighting his role in contributing to the resolution to the Sasnyang Block 1 issue.
Latiplang Kharkongor, but ila simti pat yaka kalan kum presiden harus nam katnai spak nak kunai tak adu bain dire yaka election NDC harus nam jasa tengi kilong dir sen ni layo asbun ki jipni ki jingbatai kajing sen kajing krab na iramba Latiplang Kharkongor yaka ba ngalai tre badiba Latiplang Kharkongor nadu bilang long presiden, but kamdei kata hiru berkajing itu jangan namarngan Hasan Nongkyriem, kajing itu jangan Latiplang Kharkongor lalong lagi bun pausnam, but ini ibu orang dah bangjulan kanu kajing thore, lah kelintian lah Shnong atau ne hakiwi berkijiliu, but kumdong orang semalang ru i Latiplang ni bahe imjulan kanu kata kapan thobria lai ba kalan nongelam sembalang ba kunjur hagin bilarung sekejeli jo politik sulu iya daga ju kajimut kaba ilong nadu asna mathau hadu kapor bilong nongelam sembalang ba hadu bilarung sekejeli jo ka politics kendiam nya susah gijing kenal yai bahe kumibe dari beliau iba bunnia ba kaca bagi kewan hari ini itu program sen per iba bunnia nadu balai halu bawan ba iba bilia nadu balai halu bawan ba halu ini di sini itu ilong kunju ini kejilong te ba ini beliau bastat ba kali bantrai bansim bankem ya kapang kaba ya tendu kumka khana bansa juga mau ngamjul atlet teknisnya marjar bio marjar pra Bagi parado perasaan jungi kisah tombor balong di pedwer hantai por sasnya ya keba aspa mut galong pedwer hantai por sasnya balong presiden HNYF di Latiplang Kharkongor ila pun mardor ini kibadon hajan berhasenda jungi ba ilong ba dakumno ni habli pendian kabang gadi ni habli pendian ka kandet kejan ka rajai iong habli pendian ko kawa ya kita ba lakala pedwer kejilong biti nanti kata kejilong smart kejong ni baik mengelam mengenai hamto antara apa mengi keseng apa kejingalam mengenai baik lalap bagi itu kita long refugi kita kelan refugi apa prosesnya menjadi kita keram kasong ka yang dalam undang ke umbang undi undang ke undang mardor di lapun sektor ofisar sakal bagi lakam yang ada bayi di DC. Ikam bagai ada di DC kumno apa isinya di ofisar PG, ofisar naga social welfare, di ofisar naga wei tempat depoi but mas long marlon ta posketa la poi lut ki officer la poi ki tangkarum la poi lut ki khaw la poi ki ndala kali to officer shalo to receive la poi ni wa he la phasha ka mam de bung ti bi hadu kata jilong midi jong mi ba Latiplang kum no yalam ba katu kali ki ba ngagan la ba ke ba man bai le jala bi action ba he ro ngasih kan mau wi ta khana nama ke jingster ka kli jumi ban shakri yo pai ba la ha ban thop ru I thop tan ba na kom ta shakri pai ba.
In addition, KHDC Chief Executive Member Panyat Singh's aim, Deputy Chief Executive Member Pinchngan N's aim, and church leaders offered their condolences.
Kibobun ki Nongthymmai banabar jelan ki knyo bar kyo ba namar loblong beliau ubayan bet bar trail kakam hakapor bai dandan district council ndai ka masuk panyo trading license hakapor ka jungi namar ilong beliau babanya beliau ba take bayar katkum kikandon but kani kapan iba ibahe Latiplang ibendap ya kakamram kum Nongthymmai da kamen sim jo kajingye ya karib gajat menriu pat ikipat ba kajingno senyang kajong I bahe yangi habor council kamkut tak hakini ki atli ki kam beibat ini atli senang Henry bahe ila create group ya ka record kani la sanam group bansa hakathuk jingkan mau habo kajingan din jong council ya kaba ila long way na padeng ki MDC shiman iban shimti lani ban bat ya ka kamsi ya kaba 4 judan kon hakini ki yo potuli kisnan banja kumta bahe kalane kanam beburam kajongi hakjing trekam amtai council.
The remains of late Latiplang Kharkongor were laid to rest at the Nongthymmai Presbyterian Church Cemetery in Meghalaya, Shnong, following the funeral service.